This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning this procedure. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Cooling system draining. With the engine completely cool, remove the expansion tank cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Attach a hose to the drain fitting spout, if available, to direct the coolant into the container. Open the drain fitting with a screwdriver. Allow time for the coolant to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Once the system has drained completely, close the valve and remove the hose. Cooling system flushing. If flushing the system is necessary, fill the cooling system with clean water, then reinstall the expansion tank cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool completely, then drain the system as described earlier. Repeat these steps of filling the cooling system with clean water, then running the engine, followed by draining the system until the water being drained appears clear and free of contaminants. Cooling system refilling. Close and tighten the radiator drain fitting. Slowly add the correct type of new coolant to the coolant expansion tank until the level is at the max mark. Install the expansion tank cap. Start and run the engine in a well-ventilated area for about a minute, then increase the engine to 3,500 RPM for 30 seconds. Turn the engine off and let it cool for 1 minute. With the engine still sufficiently cold, slowly open the expansion tank cap and top up the expansion tank with coolant until the level is slightly above the min mark. Install the expansion tank cap. Start and run the engine again until it reaches normal operating temperature. The thermostat will open and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Rev the engine up to 3,500 RPM for 30 seconds, then bring the engine to idle for 30 seconds. Turn the engine off and let it cool completely. Remove the cap and add more coolant mixture to bring the level slightly above the min mark with the engine cool. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the expansion tank cap. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks. Also, set the heater and blower controls to the maximum setting and check to see that the heater output from the air duct is warm. This is a good indication that all air has been purged from the cooling system.